This video will show the user on how to raise a credit note with reference to an invoice. Scenario: let's say we have to raise a credit note on the customer for quality discount on account of poor quality of goods supplied against an invoice. Log in to EPPS ERP. Select the Finance and Accounting module. Select the credit note transaction. Select the location from the drop-down list. Select the EPPS code as credit note CRN. Select the sub-EPPS code as credit note, and click Create. Select the reference type from the drop-down list. If the user selects with reference, the system allows the user to select an invoice against which the credit note needs to be raised. If the user selects without reference, the system allows to raise an ad hoc credit note which does not have any reference to an original invoice number. In this scenario, we will be raising the credit note with reference to an invoice. Select the ledger along with all the other mandatory fields. Select the reference of the invoice number against which the credit note needs to be raised from the drop-down list. In the reference invoice amount field, enter the amount at which credit note needs to be raised. Click the plus button. A pop-up window appears with the ledger details. Select the ledger. Enter the amount. Click Add. Click Accept. The ledger details will be displayed. Click the HSN SAC search button to insert the code. A pop-up window appears with the HSN SAC list. Select the appropriate code and click the Accept button. Click the Summarize and Finalize button. The Voucher Details tab is enabled. Enter the narration. Save and approve the transaction. A success window appears. Click on the FAS Voucher button to view the finance posting of the transaction. The voucher is displayed with the finance posting. Click on the Print button to print the credit note. The credit note is displayed, which have a reference to an invoice number and date against which credit note is raised. Hope this video helps you to raise a credit note with reference to an invoice. Thank you for watching.